More than ever, advertisers are finding it hard to keep up with changing trends, predict demand, and understand how to navigate these unprecedented times, all while optimizing for their marketing objectives and keeping campaigns efficient. Whether you are a tenured marketer or just recently making the transition to digital, Optimization Score is a useful tool that helps you keep a pulse on your account setup. It offers personalized recommendations that will help you achieve your marketing objectives, while taking into consideration shifting demands and market changes. Your campaign is scored with a number between 0 and 100%, with 100% indicating there is no further opportunity to improve your campaign setup. The score can go up as you implement recommendations that help you achieve your full campaign setup potential. Equally though, the score can go down if more opportunities open up. For example, if you change your settings, shift budgets, enable new features, or if there are changes to auction dynamics. All of these actions give the recommendations engine a better view on where optimization potential exists across your account. These recommendations are real-time and powered by models that combine your historical performance data and the most current auction data from Google. Let's review recommendations that can help you save time, identify cost savings opportunities, and quickly adapt to a changing market. Most of these can even be applied with a single click. Cost-saving tasks. Look out for recommendations on pausing poorly performing keywords and adding negative keywords. These will help you save cost while still optimizing towards your marketing objectives. Smart bidding. If you're shifting focus from growth to maintaining volume or lowering cost, use the smart bidding recommendations to maximize your return on investment. It's easy and saves you from having to analyze your data to determine the best CPA or ROAS for your campaigns. New keywords. The Add Keyword recommendation can help you discover new keywords to target as customer queries change. Add responsive search ads. Now more than ever, it's important to show the right message to customers. Use responsive search ads to highlight critical products or services that are relevant for your business. Add dynamic search ads. Dynamic search ads can help you meet changing consumer trends without requiring frequent optimization. Traditionally, creating a DSA expansion is a 6-step process, but with the recommendations page, all that work is done for you, so you can easily implement it with just 2 clicks. Remember to regularly check in on the recommendations page to save time, identify cost savings opportunities, and adapt to quickly changing markets. Also, if you haven't already, pull out your phone and download the Google Ads mobile app, which allows you to monitor your campaigns and apply recommendations with 1 click. For more step-by-step videos on Google Ads implementation and optimization, check out Google Ads tutorials. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit Google Ads Help.